Hello guys, so before we get started with this video, I just want to show you guys this hat that I made. It's a Nike distress hat. I just made it from scratch. I am going to put a video on how I made this hat, but in this video I'm just going to be showing you guys how I got this high ponytail in demand. So yeah, stay tuned in. So hello, so I just want to first say thank you for the 300 plus subscribers that I have. Second, I know I haven't been doing this in a minute, but that's because I've been making shirts and stuff like that, like merch, shirts, DIY, hats and stuff like that. So I just been doing a lot of stuff. So while I wasn't doing the video, people been asking me how I wrap my ponytail around my hair and how I do my edges and stuff like that. So of course I'm going to be doing that. The biggest thing with like edges and stuff like that, because it's the summertime, the biggest thing you want to do is make sure you stay cool, because the more you sweat, your edge control will not stick. So I'll be just having a fan. See this little fan? So I just have the fan next to me or something, a little small fan or something like that. One time I had threw my edge control in the freezer for a minute. So I'm like, let me just throw my edge control in the freezer. But, so, this is something new. The regular edge control is $7.99. But this edge control right here, this edge control is $8.99 because it's for thick and coarse hair. Like I said, you want to stay cool while doing this. If you sweat, I'm not sweating, my hair just shiny, but if you sweat, then you know it's just gonna come off and stuff like that. So I had just throw a little bit of water on there just to kind of loosen it up, but that's what I do. I throw water on there and I'll just loosen my hair up. So after you got it cool, just kind of start going up. And it'll just like almost stay a little. Not that much, but it's sticky. Like if I was to keep doing this and being in front of the fan, it'll stay. But yeah, pretty much that. Then I'll just take some of this. It's brown on the inside. Where is it? Let's see. Yeah, it smells so good though. I know it is. But yeah, this is my new favorite. So just put this. I don't put it on my edges yet because I be having different ways on how I want to do my edges. Like, do I want something regular? Do I want something regular or no? So, and over here, I can do it over here because it ain't nothing to just. But I take this big brush right here and I just take my edges and just pull them down. Well, there I got out here and just pull them down. Then I just pull some of her out. And if you feel yourself getting hot, or like you finna sweat again, put the eye back on a little bit. So this edge control stick fast. So I just put a little water on my hand and just run it across. So it won't stick that bad. Okay, so back to the edges. Okay, so
classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah. Sassy, moody, nasty, yeah. Acting stupid, what was happening? Bitch, what was happening? Bitch, I was savage.
Hips tick tock. TikTok when I dance. On that demon time, she might start her OnlyFans. Big B and that B stand for bands. If you wanna see some real ass, baby, here's your chance. I say left cheek, right cheek, drop it low, then swing. Texas up in this thing, put you up on this game. I be parking my frame, gang, 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 gang. If you don't jump to put jeans on, baby, you don't feel my pain. Please don't give me hype, write my name in ice. Can't argue with these lazy bitches, I just raise my price. I'm a boss, I'm a leader, I pull up in my two-seater, and my mama was a savage. Got this shit from Tina. Left cheek, right cheek, please don't give me hype. Left cheek, right cheek, write my name in ice. Real ass, real ass, real ass, real ass. Got this shit from Tina. I'm a savage. No. I'm a savage.
Okay, so this I don't want to do too much. That's cool. So I'll just go back over it with some water. Cause and why I keep using water is because this is a water-based product. It don't say it on here. Water don't say it on here. It don't. On the regular ones, it'll say water-based product. Okay, so this is the result for the ponytail. The ponytail is up here. So you just take this. How do you put it? Take a rubber band and wrap it around. That's what I do, and it'll stick up. So like that. So and I just and the little water you was using. You can dip your brush, your detangling brush in there. And brush your hair. Or you can dip your hand and rub your fingers through and still brush it. Okay, so you take your ponytail, the end of your ponytail, and you take your little clip at the end. You go around and you feel for your clip and you feel for your hair, and you just go like that. Okay. So after you go around at the first time, look at it, if you like it, if you like how high it is. If you like how high it is, then boom. There we go. Okay, so go to the next one. See, I feel like this cool, natural, it'd be natural and cool. I'm getting hot. Once again, with the next step, water on the hair. Water on the hair. Okay. So that's cute. And you just keep going. Once again, you feel for your clip and you scoot it inside the ponytail, wrap it around, Oh, I'm tripping. Okay, so one more. I'm showing. At first, I was like, why is it long? Okay. Okay, so now there you go. Okay, so we almost got this little look, little ponytail look. So those was probably 4 or 5 clips. No, those was 5 clips because this is a 4 clip. So. And this is just my, if I can't find nothing to do to my hair, or if I have, you know, just anything, I do this. If I need to run out real fast or something, I'll grab this. So. I keep thinking like this. This might be the last one. Might. I base my ponytails off how thick I want them. Like if I want a real thick ponytail, I'll keep wrapping. So, see how this is? I'm gonna wrap up number 2 around her. These are her number 2s. You usually wrap a 2 or 3 around. Let me see, do I have a 3? Do I have a 3? No. We got 2s and 5s and 4s. 2s, 4s, and 5s. So, the 2s are usually more curlier because it's very rare that you use this one. Just want to put it. This is like your ponytail closure. So you want to put it right on your scalp. Put it right on the scalp, and put the other one. Let the other one meet the back of the scalp. Okay. So at that point, it could just fall over like that, but that's not how you want it. So, after that, you take the piece of the hair. You take a random piece, brush it out. Find your little piece. Wrap it around. Wrap it around. Fix your ponytail how you want it. That's how it's gonna fall in place. And boom, you got your curly little ponytail, or whatever you wanna call it, little curly hot ponytail. You can put more water on it if you want to. You can dry it if you want to. But I just prefer it to fall. I just prefer it to be up high so it can just fall however. So this little piece right here is showing. So I'm gonna take a piece from the back and bring it to the front. Like that. It's not that big. Wrap it. Okay, and boom. pretty much it. If you can't see it, I'm done. Thank you so much for watching this YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you can like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for 300 subscribers. I really do appreciate it. Thank you.